banana seat, a canopy on 2 wheels. 800 cash, that's a hell of a deal. I'm headed downtown, cruising through the alley, tiptoeing in the street like ballet. Pulled up, moped to the valet. White walls on the wheels like mayonnaise. Dope, my crew is ill, and all we need is 2 good wheels. Got gas in the tank, cash in the bank, and a bad little mama with her in my face. I'ma lick that, stick that, break her off, kick cat, snuck her in backstage. You don't need a wristband. Dope. Killing the game, about to catch a body. Past the heartbeat, Dookie, I'm the Ducati. Timberland, Khaled, Scott Storch, Birdman, got them. Man, everybody got Bugattis. But I'ma keep a hella 1987, head into the dealership and drop a stack and cop a Kawasaki. I'm stunning on everybody, hella raw pasta wasabi. I'm so low that my scrotum's almost dragging up on the concrete. My seat is leather, I ride them line, it's pleather. But girl, we can still ride together. You don't need a Uber, you don't need a cab, or get a bus pass, you got a moped, man. She got 1988 Mariah Carey hair, very rare. Mom jeans on her derriere, throwing up the west side.